Great few reactions that are now coming in from Sunita Williams' family. Her cousin Dinesh Rawal, who has also expressed that he had been waiting for a very long time for this splashdown to happen with bated breath. And he also said that on Sunita's successful return, he offered prayers and how proud he is that she is contributing to the world.
मैंने जब यहाँ देखा तो वो बाहर आई तब हम लोग खुशी से कूद पड़े थे। इस उम्र में भी मैं मेरे बैठक पर से खड़ा होकर तालियां बजाने लग गया था। मुझे इतना आनंद हुआ था। कल तक आप लोग हमको मिलते थे, सबके साथ बात करते थे, पर ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ अंदर से कुछ चैन नहीं पड़ता था। और इसमें ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ खराब हो जाएगा, अच्छा हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा। तो बहुत कल परेशान था मैं। मंदिर में गया, यज्ञ करवाया, गांव में माता जी की आराधना सब लोगों ने करवाई। ये सब बातें आज भगवान ने सुनी और हमारी सुनी को वो वापस लाए। हमें बहुत आनंद है, बहुत आनंद है। जब उन्हें देखा तो हमने, आप देख सकते हो कि घर के अंदर भी हमने फूल उछाड़ कर और घर के आगे तोरण लगा दिया। आसोपालव अपना शुभ प्रतीक है, तो आसोपालव का तोरण लगा दिया और आनंद से हम सब घर के लोग कूद पड़े थे। अमेरिका से सभी टेलीफोन आ गए और सब बच्चों सबने कहा कि पापा सुनीता आ गई, सुनीता आ गई। तो बहुत आनंद हुआ। आज हमारा घर का एक बड़ा त्योहार है, ऐसा मैं मानता हूं। सुनीता कोई सामान्य व्यक्ति नहीं है। सुनीता एक बड़ी साइंटिस्ट लेडी है और वो दुनिया को कुछ देने के लिए आई है। और अब जब है तो वो जरूर दुनिया को कुछ न कुछ बड़ी बातें दे जाएगी और इससे दुनिया की पॉल्यूशन के अंदर, पर्यावरण के अंदर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर, इस सब में कुछ न कुछ दुनिया को मिलेगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है।
That is how the family that has been celebrating, and of course the homecoming which has been marked with celebrations and distributing of sweets, fireworks, and of course the overnight, as when it comes to this experience that all of us that are now witnessing this historic moment is something that no one, slept at all watching when it comes to this historic moment there. And I believe Falguni is with us right now. Falguni, very good morning to you. Falguni Pandya, who is Sunita Williams' cousin and family member as well. So welcome on Times Now. And what a great day that has been. Did you sleep at all, Falguni, if you can tell us? Because this is a moment that we all have witnessed and we were waiting with bated breath because there have been so many delays that had taken place. And finally, Sunita Williams is back home.
Yes, it's been an exciting day. In USA, it's a daytime, so we didn't have to worry about getting sleep. It's about 10:15 p.m. right now, and we just got the news that Sunny called the family and that she's okay, and she's on her way from Florida to Houston. That just came like 1 minute ago. She's tired but happy, and all the astronauts are doing well.
Well, Falguni, after spending over 280 days in space, Sunita having finally returned home, what was your first reaction and of your family like? Because we've been also listening to your family back home here in India as well. And that very moment of splashdown, it was historic. Was that an emotional moment for you?
Absolutely. Emotional. And emotional, I have said this before, that emotional because it felt surreal. It felt out of this world, but at the same time, it was not something unexpected, if that makes sense. We expected her to land safely. We expected her to come home just fine. There is still a feeling of gratitude towards the universe, the supreme power who has looked after her, and the faith in that supreme power is what gives us strength and confidence.
Were there any nail-biting moments there? Upon the return, Or rather, should we say, upon the arrival of Sunita Williams and the other astronauts as well, were there any, nail-biting moments that you witnessed? Because it was heartwarming to see her smile radiantly. She's been smiling throughout. Even after that delayed stay in space, she's been smiling throughout.
That is correct. She is an optimist. She makes the best of the situation. And she never felt stranded. She never felt anything other than, okay, the trip is extended. Now what do I need to get done? So her attitude, which should be all of our attitude, when things don't go our way, we make the best of the situation that is in front of us. And as she was landing, there were not nail-biting moments because everything was going according to the plan. The landing was very smooth and beautiful. It was just magical.
Absolutely, it was. And what a welcome also from the dolphins there. I mean, it was just beautiful to watch and witness that. It was not just, the humans, but the dolphins also giving them a warm welcome. But space is a lonely place, Falguni. Sunita has always seemed very calm, very composed. Of course, she's an experienced astronaut. But were there any moments that you felt anxious about her prolonged stay? Her family, were they in touch with her?
We were all the time in touch with her. There were contacts through virtual calls, video calls, emails all the time. There was constant contact. We were able to send her photographs, physical photographs, handwritten notes. I have sent her some food. Other people have sent her some food. We have sent her some memorable things that would make her happy. So there was not a disconnect. There was a lot of connection. She used to write to us all the time. So yeah, there was no real feeling that, we don't know what she's up to. She very much made us a part of her journey. And she was very much a part of our lives because she always wanted to know how kids are doing, how is everybody doing, what's going on in our lives, how is the work going, how is this, how is that. So
a very hands-on approach that we're looking at, Sunita Williams always being updated. And, she in the past have also been speaking about her Indian roots, carrying the Bhagavad Gita, an idol of Lord Ganesha. She's celebrating Diwali, celebrating Thanksgiving. What does, when she speak about her deep connection to her Indian heritage, mean to the family?
Well, her father, Deepak Kaka, was a deeply spiritual person. He was Indian at heart. You can say you can take a Bharatiya out of Bharat, but you cannot take a Bharat out of Bharatiya. He was that person, and he imparted a very balanced knowledge. Him and Aunt Bani, his wife, our auntie, imparted very balanced sanskar culture onto all three children. So she naturally feels very connected to India, her heritage. She respects our heritage, which is her heritage as well.
Absolutely, it is. And of course, we're looking at your native village and town here in Gujarat. And overnight, they were also up in celebrations that have been taking place. Can we expect Sunita to come back to India soon? Because we've seen pictures of her last visit. And what was the first thing that she looks forward to when she comes to India? And of course, now that she is back to Earth, has she actually, expressed something that what was that first probable thing that she wants to do or probably wants to eat?
Wow, I don't know if she's thinking food as the first thing. I think she wants to, I don't want to give an answer on her behalf. These are the questions that she can herself answer. We have discussed trips to India and other countries and doing other vacation trips together in details. Timings, we don't know. I'm hoping it will happen this year.
But she's been a role model, and she is a role model. I mean, especially when it comes to young women, young girls into science there, if they can foray in that venture. But, what message do you think that her journey especially sends across to women scientists, to Indian children as well, who dream of space?
She is very interested in teaching, educating, empowering all kids. And particularly, she pays attention to girls not feeling any less than the boys. And I really deeply respect her encouraging of all children. She will be a force. And she's already an icon, but she will be not just an icon of a scientist, but an icon of resilience, someone who can conquer challenges and come out ahead. I think she represents a lot of that.
And she's already inspired millions of us. But, for the family, what do you believe is the biggest life lesson that you can actually take from her achievements?
That is a loaded question. There is a lot we have learned from her. So I would not just say one thing, but she is an eternal optimist and a positive person with a can-do attitude and not being defeated by the circumstances or people. She just meets the challenges head on, but also with a light-hearted attitude. So I wish I had that.
So does she actually enjoy taking breaks or vacations after that? Because now, she will be undergoing an intensive rehabilitation program as well. And, familiarizing when it comes to walking, muscle mass, all of that medical treatments that will also be taking place. Do you believe so that vacation time is something that Sunita now deserves?
Absolutely. I think she will be spending a lot of time with her dogs, her husband, her mom, her sister. We all will be visiting on and off, but she will have her support system with her. That's home, that's vacation, right? And traveling, absolutely. But I think right now the focus is on healing, reuniting, and making up for the lost times.
And what about the family back home? Because we've been listening to your other cousins as well, and they have been saying that they have been celebrating too. And today, in a grander way, and of course, the message that came in from the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well, we've been eagerly waiting for the return of Sunita Williams. So we're looking at celebrations happening both, whether be it in the United States, a family there, or a family back home here in India.
This is the time I miss being in India because celebrations are grand. Here I have come to temple. The temple was full of people. There were prayers going on for Sunita. So we also celebrated in our own way. And Panditji is here from the temple, Praveen Bhai Shastri. He has been holding puja for Sunny. He's a relative of Sunny, he's a cousin of Sunny. And he has been hosting Sunny here for many years now, for many occasions. And we all have just prayed here for her.
Well, would the gentleman next to you want to speak also and give out a message for Sunita Williams?
हाँ, मेरा नाम प्रवीण भाई शास्त्री जी है। सुनीता मेरी कजिन सिस्टर है, लेकिन ये भारत की बेटी है, भारत की शान है। भगवान की दया से वो आ गई है। सनातन मंदिर के भगवान को वो खूब मानती थी। मैं भी भगवान को बहुत प्रार्थना किया है और भगवान की दया से वो जल्दी शीघ्र ठीक हो जाएगी, ऐसे मैं भगवान को प्रार्थना करता हूँ। और ये भारत की बेटी है, भगवान उसका मंगल करेगा, ऐसे मैं भगवान को प्रार्थना करता हूँ। मेरी सारे परिवार वाले भगीरथ, बद्री, जाह्नवी कृष्णा सभी लोग सुनीता के लिए प्रार्थना करते थे और भगवान की दया से और आप सब लोगों की भावना से, प्रार्थना से वो आ गई है। उसकी हमको बहुत खुशी है। आज हमको बहुत आनंद है, अतिशय आनंद है। हरिओम।
धन्यवाद आपका पंडित जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, and to you Falguni as well. Of course you said that soon you'll be getting in touch with her, but there wasn't a moment that you felt that you weren't connected with Sunita. And time and again now we're looking at this historic return. We will be establishing a connection, and the family as well, because you're looking forward and hopeful that once again you'll be speaking to Sunita, but personally up in person, that we are expecting those visuals and that messages to come across very soon. This is the pride and joy that is something that the whole nation is sharing and witnessing today, because for us, Sunita Williams is not just an astronaut, she's an inspiration, she's a role model and a true beti of India.